I have to do it. Let's do a look with the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette. I'm priming my eyes with MAC Painterly. I like that this doesn't have shade names on the front. It does have numbers and letters on the back, but that can get a little confusing, so I'm just going to point to which shade I'm using. So I'm going to use this one all over the lid. This one's a little powdery. There is a little bit of pickup, but that's to be expected with pigmented eyeshadows. So I'm just going to tap and blend this all over really sloppily, just as a base color. I'm going to deepen my crease with this kind of rosy tone, kind of just patting in this outer portion and then sweeping through the crease. I'm going to take some of this brown shade on the tip of my brush, and I'm going to use this to further deepen this outer corner. The first time I used this, I think I played it safe, so today I'm going to try something different. This shimmery brown bronze, I'm going to put all over the lid. It looks even prettier in a swatch. Now let's see how it applies with a finger. Really well. That was a really rough finger application, especially over here. I did this because of my nails being too long, so I am just going to go ahead and blend this into the crease and keep on blending and see what happens. I blended a little too much away, so I'm going to add a few more taps of this color with the brush. I didn't really intend for the look to go so close to the eyebrow, but it happened. Going off the assumption that these shades are kind of supposed to be glitter toppers, I'm going to try this one because it stands out the most to me. Starting with a small amount on a fluffy brush, I'm going to start tapping it in the center of the eye look. It's doing exactly what I want it to do, so I'm just going to pick up some more and pop it all over the whole look because I love a good glitter. Yeah, we love her. There's glitter fallout on my face, but I'm going to be honest, we live that way over here. Gently smoking out the under eye with that same bronzy color that I put all over the lid. I'm loving this look a lot better than my first one. I added some Amazon lashes. These are my favorite. They are linked in my storefront. And now I want to swatch the palette really quick. Okay, here they are. I am very, very impressed. The matte formula is super consistent. These shimmers are so beautiful and like diamond-esque. So I'm so glad I bought this.